Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil on a Toyota Prius 2015. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then loosen the oil fill cap to relieve pressure. Jack the car safely and support with jack stands, place a drain pan beneath the oil pan, and remove the drain plug with a 14 mm socket. Replace the gasket if needed and let oil drain fully before refitting the plug. Warm the engine slightly for easier flow, but never work on a hot engine. Position the drain pan under the oil pan and remove the drain plug carefully with a 14 mm socket. Allow oil to drain until the flow is a thin drip. Remove the oil filter with an oil filter wrench and inspect the old gasket to avoid double gasket issues. Clean the mounting surface before installing the new filter and lubricate the new gasket with oil. After reinstalling the drain plug securely, hand thread the new oil filter and tighten to manufacturer recommended torque or hand tight plus a quarter turn. Add 4L of 0W20 oil through the filler neck using a funnel to avoid spills. Start the engine briefly to circulate oil, then turn off and wait a few minutes before checking the dipstick and top up if necessary. Lower the vehicle safely and double check for any leaks around the filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.